Hey there! Welcome to our video on how to look more attractive. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to boost your confidence, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Dress to impress. The right outfit can make a huge difference. Choose clothes that flatter your body type and express your personal style. Remember, confidence is the key. Tip 2. Good grooming habits. Taking care of your appearance is essential. Maintain good hygiene, keep your hair well groomed, and pay attention to skincare. A little self-care goes a long way. Tip 3. Smile. A genuine smile is one of the most attractive features. Take care of your teeth, practice good oral hygiene, and let your smile light up the room. Tip 4. Posture and body language. Stand tall, shoulders back, and maintain good posture. It not only makes you look more confident but also enhances your overall appearance. Also, pay attention to your body language and make sure it conveys openness and positivity. Tip 5. Be kind and positive. Attractiveness goes beyond physical appearance. Show kindness, be positive, and radiate good energy. People are naturally drawn to those who uplift others. Tip 6. Maintain good posture. Stand tall, keep your head up, and align your body properly. Good posture not only makes you appear more confident, but it also improves your overall appearance. Tip 7. Take care of your skin. Keep your skin healthy and glowing by following a skincare routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin from the sun to maintain a youthful and attractive complexion. Tip 8. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity to stay fit and maintain a toned physique. Exercise not only improves your physical appearance but also boosts your confidence and overall well-being. Tip 9. Pay attention to your hair. Find a hairstyle that suits your face shape and personal style. Keep your hair well maintained, groomed, and styled to enhance your overall attractiveness. Tip 10. Develop good communication skills. Being able to communicate effectively is attractive. Practice active listening, maintain eye contact, and engage in meaningful conversations. Good communication skills make you more appealing to others. And there you have it. By following these tips, you can enhance your attractiveness and boost your self-confidence. Remember, true beauty comes from within. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment below and let me know which tip resonated with you the most. I'd love to hear your thoughts and if you have any other tips to share.